With the UK gross domestic product data released this morning and the election just 9 days away, we're taking a closer look at how the economy in the UK is shaping up by talking to Francesca Panelli, analyst at Oxford Analytica. UK GDP growth for the first quarter of 2015 slowed sharply to 0.3%, down from 0.6% at the end of last year. How does this contraction in economic activity reflect the overall health of the UK?
Yes, as you said, that's the slowest quarterly growth pace since the end of 2012, though it's mainly coming from the services sector, which experienced a huge slowdown, 2.5 quarter on quarter from 0.9 in the previous quarter. And among services, the sharpest slowdown was in business and finance services, down to 0.1 from 1.3. And I think uncertainty related to the upcoming UK election may have weighed down services in this sector, because that's a very sensitive sector to political developments. Also, construction activity and total production are down. They both shaved 0.1 percentage points of growth. Though I think especially the slowdown in services should prove transitory. We had better evidence from higher frequency purchasing managers indexes over the first quarter of the year, and so I think momentum could improve ahead, and so I expect the growth to pick up later in the year.
As well as the latest economic news, the upcoming UK election poses significant challenges for the pound. What can we expect to see in terms of market sentiment throughout this period?
Yes, actually, the largest impact of the release today has been on equities so far, as the FTSE 100 is down. We didn't have a huge impact on FX. The pound dropped against the dollar after the report was published, but now it's almost stable versus dollar, and it's also slightly up versus the euro. Gilt prices are slightly up as well, but not a huge impact on bonds as well. On a broader perspective, I think over the next few weeks covering the UK election, the uncertainty could weigh on risky assets, and so we may see further pound weakness, equity weakness, and a possible pickup in bond yields.
And finally for today, looking ahead, which key indicators will you be looking out for in an effort to gauge the UK's growth?
Yeah, I will look at higher frequency indicators and leading indicators to see if this momentum pickup I expect will actually materializes. And so PMI indicators, industrial production, construction activity data, and PMIs for the construction sector as well. And also services PMIs will be very important for us to assess the growth momentum in the UK economy ahead.
Thank you, Francesca. That's everything from today's assessment of the UK. Be sure to check back with Dukascopy for more updates throughout the week. Goodbye for now.